Bran! Oh yeah, them two know each other as a different way. Because Demon Atta, he got that name from a book called Demon Atta, which is a book that Sleepless has read. And Demon Atta is the first person that Sleepless has met that's also read the book. So they're like best chums because of the book.
Wait, he can read?
Who?
Sleepless?
Surprisingly.
When did he learn to read? Next he'll be counting. 1, 2, 6, 4. What? Don't mind them.
Don't mind them.
Oh, right. Them done honey. Oh, yeah. That says theme.
It's them. I know it's them.
But it says theme.
Oh, shut up. Love you all.
Oh, cracky.
JP's just jealous because I could drink more than him last night at my party.
That's because some idiot crashed into my car. But you know. Anyway. What am I doing?
We put the motherboard on. We got it on now to do that one wiring thing. So can't really do GPUs next because look at that water bit that goes between them.
Because of what that goes to?
The little pipe bit.
I can put that on. I got the pipe bit in the bottom.
Pipe bit.
Which is literally big enough to have the lot sits on and that's it.
Right, well, there we go.
There is actually a piece of flexi pipe in between there. Right there. It's just really small because it goes between two GPUs.
That's it, right next to each other. BRB, no problem.
Need to get the other IO in. That'd be a good start.
The other IO?
Yeah.
Oh, right, the front panels.
Yeah. These
Well,
down in there.
Now that we're done with the thing a bit, we can turn this around again. Wait. I am waiting.
Yes.
Oh god, that has got a bit more weight to it now.
Literally all we've done is put the motherboard in. Wait till the graphics cards go in as well.
So I'm trying to think, we've mentioned the water block, we've mentioned this. Yeah, there's no parts we've got to that we haven't mentioned. Is that no one to go in there with them?
Yeah.
It's just like off.
That's the USB 3 ones, so I'm trying to keep them untangled from this one, if that makes sense. Because this one needs to go through this hole onto this header. Boop. And pull it back through the hole to tuck it up nice and neat. See what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
If I wanted to, I could probably run that underneath the motherboard and then bring it up and in, but it's a bit late for that now, really, isn't it?
Well, not really. You can just unplug it and do it.
I've got to get behind the motherboard.
Alright.
No, I'll just leave it. I'll leave it because I've got to take the motherboard back out. So we'll just do it like that. Be alright? Right, and I can tuck all this into my little channel here, which is 100% for cable management.
Is it?
Well, yeah, that's why there's cutouts for your cables to come through.
Wow. Why do you say that's so fishy then?
Because I don't know if that's what it's for, but that's what I use it for. It always really annoys me the way that the USB 3 headers are like that.
Well, it's 2 wires.
2 really clunky wires. Which way does that go? That way, is it? Yeah. That one comes through here, plugs into there. See what I'm saying?
I see what it's saying. I see.
Hide it. Well, I see what you're saying there.
Oh, I still got my torch on.
Whoops. Tucked in. Need to do those. We'll do them in a bit though.
Best part is they're already, because they've been there for so long before, they're pretty much well clumped.
Yeah.
It's like, and that's how they go.
We're organised. Okay. I mean, that's just fucking atrocious.
There's not really much you can do about it though. Like the only way it may look better is if it came down.
I did have an idea of getting rid of it.
What do you mean?
Trying to swap them two out for USB Type Cs. So it would just run up and into there and put two Type Cs on the front. But I'm yet to find a replacement front panel for this.
It could be a job of contacting Thermaltech and asking if they can custom make one. But that'd be a lot of money.
I also don't know if Thermaltech have any Type Cs on any of their cases. I don't know if they support that yet.
Well, you see, we have this case in the works. You could try that one out for us if you like.
Imagine. Here you go. Well, you're better than Corsair already. I mean, if they told me that he had it, I'd have been like, yeah, okay, that's fine.
I can understand.
Yeah. They just didn't even do that. Oh, okay then.
Well, I can understand why they also don't want to say
Yeah, I completely understand, right? I'm moaning about nothing, so it's fine.
Basically,
Nah.
wait. There's this case that came out.
No.
Well, I say
Actually can't.
I say it came out.
You actually can't.
Why?
Shh. No conversation.
Why not?
It's not allowed to be a conversation.
Why is it not allowed to be a
Because
conversation?
it's not. It's actually not allowed to be a conversation.
It says who?
Them.
Now, is it really them?
Yes.
So they've told you you're not allowed to talk about it.
Kinda, yeah. Ish. Just leave it. It's the easier thing to do.
I could always go cryptic with it.
Huh?
I could always go cryptic with it.
No, can't go cryptic with it. We're no good at cryptic anymore.
I am. I'm actually really good at cryptic.
Anyway, we need to focus on this. Stop getting sidetracked.
I'm not getting
That's why it's taken us 2.5 hours to get a motherboard in.
And custom mod.
And drill 6 holes.
And do wiring.
Oh, because that took a long time, didn't it? Okay, what's next?
And get the RAM in and clean up the CPU.
What is next, though?
GPUs need to go in, as the water loops need to be sorted.
I need to finish GPU.
Power supply, radiators.
I want to do GPU first. Get that in. I need to put these in. I need to get all the complicated, the difficult bits in first. Mostly, have you seen how these are bent? Like, look at the bend on these things. Like, look at this. See the funky ass bending in these wires is the way that they've been sat in the case to get round the corners to get where they need to get. 'Cause they need to bend like this to get in there. Like, they've got a proper bend up in a weird way. And they've been there that long that they are now holding that shape.
Impressive.
Which makes it really hard to get them back in. But it should be a lot easier now because I can just do this. Because it's a lot harder when there's a radiator there as well.
We also need to do the custom tape job.
Tape?
Double side.
Oh, that's just sticking them back on, that's fine.
And making sure they're well positioned.
Again, that's fine. 4-pin. Because that's a thing. Because this motherboard not only has an 8-pin CPU power, it has an additional 4-pin. Because there's a lot of power in this CPU. That is what 10 cores, 20 threads does for you. Especially when you overclock it.
Which, yes, he plans to do.
Have done.
Has done.
Which it might moan about, because obviously it's all been apart, hasn't it?
True.
So it might moan and be like, new CPU installed! Even though it's the same CPU. Because computers like to do that.
Or just moan and fact say it's broken.
Yeah, all that one. Which if it is, Simon, you know the consequences. Hey, you did it.
I did fuck all.
That's the problem. Wait, I'm losing either way here. Yes, Simon, yes you are.
Fine, I did something.
Still, there you go, he's admitted it. He's admitted it was his fault. He's just admitted he did it.
Well, if I say it wasn't me, it's going to be me anyway.
Well, yeah, that's not the point, is it? You could at least try and defend yourself. Can I have goodness? Makes me sleepy.
It makes you
No,
sleepy.
this makes me sleepy.
I was going to say, why
Not
would I
that.
give you goodness if it's going to make you sleepy?
No. Yeah, third date me. They can go in after. It's really just a case of getting that stuff in now. The water cooling bits in the back.
All the big stuff.
Yeah. Which isn't going to be interesting at all. Do we get graphics cards in the front first?
Graphics cards in the front.
Do that first.
Because that little tiny bit is going to be fiddly.
Yeah, very true. Actually, the little time it's not too hard to
Well,
get on.
hand me a graphics card. Poseidon's correct?
1080 Ti.
Yeah, I know what that is.
Poseidon.
So,
Platinum.
for this build, we have two GTX 1080 Ti's Asus Poseidons Strix.
There's the back of this one.
There's the front.
Ah.
Two Poseidons 1080 Ti's. Really, really powerful graphics cards. In reality, if you need, if you have one of these, you're sorted. Two is just overkill.
Two is stupidity.
One is overkill. I'm not gonna lie. Like this is power.
Power. Okay. How do I want to do this? Top or bottom?
Well, let me think about this. You're gonna want they're going in that way. So this is the side you want on this side.
Well, yes, that goes that way round. I'm more thinking, do I want the connection to be at the bottom or at the top? I'm thinking at the top.
Top cut's already done.
Yeah, very true. Right, could you hold that graphics card, please? Just that one.
Is this one?
Yeah. Because I got to get this little tiny pipe that you've seen earlier on this little barb fitting here. Got to wiggle it on. Make sure it goes all the way on, which I can't do because I can't actually check to see if it's all the way on because of the pipe being so small. Make sure it's all the way on, and then take the little fitting, screw it on, nice and tight. Make sure it ain't gonna leak on me, which it definitely didn't do when I first built it. Maybe a little bit everywhere, and then wiggle this together onto the other end of the pipe.
Now that looked nice and clean going on.
It's because the pipe's already been stretched. So it just slots on nicely. It's pre-stretched to their fitting.
So now when it's sitting in there, once he's done, which I do like the whole Asus logos and everything on the side. The Republic of Gaming logos anyway. So now when they sit in there, be a nice lovely pipe in the middle which you can barely see. But yes. So we're now going to get both of these in there at the same time.
Yes. So we got to prepare the sockets by pushing the things in the right direction. Because if you don't, it ain't gonna work. We've got to carefully line them up, slot them in. Right. Okay. I'll get them in. Right. What we're gonna do? We'll line these up at the top.
And where's the screws for them?
No, you don't need the screws just yet. We need to get these lined up at the top first. That slot, is it?
That seems very slanted.
Is it that slot?
That seems a bit straighter up here. But then this one, like, are they meant to be? Is there meant to be a gap between them?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, there's one gap between them.
I need you this side, Sam, not that side.
Why do you need me that side?
I need you to wiggle that graphics card to make it fit. Well, it needs to actually be this side. Make it go into the what's it slot. Well, this one also goes in to the what's it slot.
Right. Okay. So this one's got its pins through.
Yeah. Hold that.
I am holding.
Well, that's why you had to come around this side so I can line this other one up. So complicated, right?
Right. Well, I can't get through. I'm big.
I know you're big, but you can fit. Hold that card in while I align this card up. Or at least attempt to. Screws. Screws.
Where are they?
Windowsill pointy ones.
Windowsill pointy ones.
They're the ones that roll lie all over the place.
Pointy ones. We need 4 of them.
4 of them.
I know this.
Line that up that way around. Well, you need to go from the other side, don't
Yes,
you?
they do. I'm so used to doing it from that side. Shut up.
When have you ever done it from that side?
Whatever ask PCs.
What PCs have you had that they screw in from the outside?
My
That's the inside.
old Strike X1. Because I've been fiddling with that one a lot recently, okay?
Oh, that had the weird flappy bit on it.
Yeah.
Oh, God, no, not that thing. I refuse to acknowledge that thing's existence. Just get a screw in each so I can stop trying to hold things in place.
There's one down there somewhere.
Yeah, I'll find it in a second. Just get the bloody screws in.
I'd love to, but you haven't got these aligned. There we go. Now.
Got one in?
There's one in that one.
Okay, get one in this one.
I'm going to purposely getting the middle one in.
What, the one that's a loop rather than a hook?
Yeah.
Awesome.
There's one down there.
That one hit me in the balls.
Good shot.
Okay.
And in.
Now I did that by myself. It took me a long time. There's one screw.
The other one went into the bottom of the case, I think. I see it. Got it.
Yay! Get them screwed in as well.
I use my own screwdriver. Don't like yours.
Don't like it. Why not? It works. I'll use my own. It will work better.
Didn't say it well, but I just feel more comfortable with it.
Spent a lot of time screwing things with that driver. He's well seasoned in its functionalities.
Yeah, called twisting.
Mm-hmm. Don't twist. Do not twist. If she twists, run. You have no idea where that one went, do you?
Somewhere on the floor. Right, now where did that one go? Oh, hello. Step back to look at it and went in my shoe.
Found it. Oh, I picked up 3 and needed 4. It's your fault.
Why is it my fault?
I said so. Got a problem with that?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a shame. Screwed.
Right, now you've screwed the shiny silver ones. I need you to screw the dull, not shiny screw ones, shiny silver ones.
With more pointy ones.
I've put the pointy ones in, you just need to tighten them up.
All right.
What do you think I was doing?
Just trying to put it in.
Oh, no. Let's put the screws in as well. Okay.
There we go. Job's a good one.
Jobs are good.